who are coming in Sattari taluka only. So whatever data I have told you, that is from Sattari taluka only.
Okay. So today hearing of all people. So
61 cases from different villages was there, and 28 have been approved. And for some, we have asked that they could not bring the documents, so we have requested them to bring the documents again. And we have also told the panchayat secretary to help these people get the document from the panchayat, or if they have some any old documents, so that their cases can also be disposed of. Then there was some cases where there was a where we have requested for the ground verification of the area again. That also we will get the report in 2 weeks, and that also we will dispose after that.
okay. Thanks.
गुड आफ्टरनून. तो आज हमने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कमेटी की मीटिंग की थी, जिसमें सभी ऑल द मेंबर्स केम फॉर द मीटिंग, इंक्लूडिंग फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, ट्राइबल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट, पंचायत डिपार्टमेंट, एवरीवन वाज हियर, इंक्लूडिंग द पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑल्सो. So we heard 61 cases of public hearing of different villages, and till now in North Goa, out of around 2400 cases, 1500 cases have been disposed of. In that, around 1100 have been approved and around 400 have been rejected. And we are continuously holding the district level committees almost every week, so that we can dispose of the total cases positively in the next couple of months.
In form from Sattari, all files.